Shut down the Chromebook, then flip the laptop over. Underneath you'll find 13 screws. Just to note, 5 of the 13 screws are hidden under the rubber feet and the rubber stoppers at the top of the laptop, so just be wary of that. Once you have removed the screws, flip the laptop back up and then open the lid. Then you can pry the keyboard and touchpad palm rest assembly off. Then set it aside by leaning it at the top where near the hinges. Locate the right protect screw as I have shown here. It's just at the bottom right of the main board. Then use the same screwdriver to remove it completely. Here's what it looks like when it's completely removed. Once you have removed the right protect screw, you can put the laptop back together. Turn on your laptop as usual until you reach the Chrome OS login screen. Then hold down Control, Alt, and then the page forward button at the top of the keyboard. Once you reach the shell screen, you type in Cron OS to log in. Then to change the working directory to temporary, you type in cd/tmp. You need to do this or else it won't work. Next, we'll disable the software write protect. So what you type in first is to check if it is enabled or not, is to type in sudo space /rom space --wp status and you press enter, and they'll tell you if write protect is enabled or not. In this case, it is enabled. Then to disable it, since we have removed the write protect screw, we type in sudo space /rom space --wp disable. It should say success, and then we can check it again using the same command that we have used above. And now it should say write protect is disabled. Now that we have disabled write protect completely, we can now set the GBB flags. So to do this, you first type in sudo space /usr /share /vboot /bin /set _gbb _flags.sh space, and then the flags that you want to set. So in this case, we would recommend to set it as 0x19, then press enter. 0x19 shortens the boot up time on Chrome OS from 30 seconds to 2 seconds. It also removes the beep. It also enables developer mode on by default, and it ensures that regardless of whatever setting you have in Chrome OS, you can still boot from USB or SD card. This is useful when your battery runs dry, because when it does, it might reset those USB or SD card booting parameters, so then in this case you won't have to worry about that. Once you have done that, you can now check the GBB flags are set properly. So you type in sudo space /usr /share /vboot /bin /get _gbb _flags.sh, and it should say there at the bottom that it is 0x, a bunch of the zeros followed by 19, which is what we want. Finally, it is good practice to enable the software write protect now. So to do that, you just type in sudo space /rom space --wp enable, and it should say success again, and then you can check the write protect status by using sudo space /rom space --wp status, and now it should say write protect is enabled. Once you have done that, you can now press Ctrl D to log out, and then you can press Ctrl Alt and then the back arrow at the top of the keyboard to go back to the Chrome OS login screen. Now you can shut down your Chromebook, and the next time you turn it on again, you will see a different screen at the top left, and it says that your GBB flags are different. And you're good.